سلام به همه دنبال کننده های عزیز، من شایادم و به چنل من خوش اومدید. توی این قسمت میریم سراغ درس پنجم از جلد یکم این کتاب 4000 واژه ضروری. بریم چه داشته باشیم.
He's not active on our staff right now.
You're back on active service.
I'm an active duty non-combatant.
لغت اول اکتیو یه صفته، یعنی فعال. تعریفی که کتاب از این لغت کرده اینه: When someone is active, they move a lot or have a lot of things to do. وقتی یکی اکتیوه اون خیلی حرکت میکنه یا کارهای زیادی داره که انجام بده. مثالی که کتاب در این مورد زده: It is important to be active and not sit around all the time. فعال بودن و تمام مدت یک جا ننشستن مهمه.
I want him pulled off active duty for a while until we can evaluate his condition.
The Falls Road Active Service Unit, Belfast Brigade, Provisional Irish Republican Army.
There's a real live active duty cop outside who can...
The one who's managed to lose a convicted killer.
کلمه دوم بزرگسال.
No, she's an adult now.
The adult is talking.
adult یعنی بزرگسال. کتاب اینجوری این لغت رو تعریف کرده: An adult is a person who is more than 18 years old. adult کسیه که بیشتر از 18 سال داره، بیشتر از 18 سالشه. مثال کتاب: My mom and dad are adults. پدر و مادرم بزرگسالن.
You're an adult. I want you to have your own life.
Not so easy being an adult, is it?
I'm an adult and I need to be honest about these things, and I will be.
Yeah, well, when an adult male is chasing a female with intent to commit rape, I shoot the bastard.
لغت سوم سن.
And she's gotten worse with age.
Anyone your age is bound to tire easily.
تعریفی که کتاب از لغت سوم گفته: Age is how many years someone has lived. Age تعداد سالهاییه که یک نفر زندگی کرده. مثال کتاب: She died at the age of 80. او در سن 80 سالگی فوت کرد.
In this day and age, how dumb do you have to be to get pregnant?
And you know, Joni's getting to the age where she should be meeting some nice young boys.
My daughter was diagnosed with acute leukemia at the age of 5, and I spent my days at work.
کلمه چهارم کلمه‌ایه که توی انگلیسی و فارسی مشترکه. بریم مثالشو ببینیم.
You believe in bad luck?
No, I'm the bad guy.
It's not super gonorrhea, but it is super bad news.
تعریف کتاب از کلمه چهارم اینه: When something is bad, it is not good. وقتی یه چیز بد باشه اون خوب نیست. مثالی که کتاب زده: She is unhappy because she has a bad day. اون ناراحت بود به خاطر اینکه روز بدی داشت.
I want you to promise not to make me the bad guy with the kids.
Well, my mom chastised me for taking a slice, saying it was bad luck, but...
And if you say one more bad thing about him, I swear I will shoot you like I shot Jamie.
کلمه پنجم balance یعنی تعادل.
It's about balance and coordination.
It's hard to balance the home and the work.
تعریفی که کتاب از این لغت کرده: Balance is when two or more things are equal. balance یعنی وقتی که دو چیز با یک دیگر برابر باشند، یعنی تعادل. مثال کتاب اینه: A good balance between work and fun helps keep you healthy. تعادل خوب بین کار و تفریح به سلامتت کمک میکنه یا تو رو سالمتر نگه میداره.
His DNA is in perfect balance between alien and human.
Bring balance to the force, not leave it in darkness.
Your world in the balance, and you bargain for one man.
کلمه ششم بایک.
Wow, very, very cool bike.
Whose bike is that?
Look, your bike is broken.
بایک یعنی دوچرخه. تعریف کتاب: A bike is a vehicle with two wheels powered by a human. دوچرخه وسیله نقلیه‌ایه که دو چرخ داره که به وسیله انسان قدرت گرفته. مثال کتاب: He rides his bike to school every day. اون هر روز با دوچرخه‌اش به مدرسه میره.
She can't even ride a bike with training wheels.
Yeah, but you know the bike is just a physical thing, babe.
You want to jump on the bike with me?
واژه هفتم choose یعنی انتخاب کردن.
Why choose me?
No, I mean, if you had to choose between them.
تعریف کتاب از لغت هفتم. To choose is to pick something or make a decision. choose کردن یعنی انتخاب کردن یک چیز یا گرفتن یک تصمیم.
I can't choose between two halves of my...
I guess I just thought eventually he'd choose me.
This woman must also choose me.
واژه هشتم doctor یا عامیانه ترش doc.
I said Rebecca's doctor in London.
We need a doctor in here.
The doctor who killed his wife, right?
تعریفی که کتاب از لغت هشتم گفته. A doctor is a person who studied medicine and helps sick people. دکتر فردی است که پزشکی خونده و به افراد مریض کمک میکنه. مثال کتاب راجع به لغت هشتم. You should go to the doctor when you are sick. وقتی مریضی بهتره بری پیش دکتر.
The doctor says your eyes can't be exposed to any light.
So, when I was in the Navy, I worked for a doctor who loved to play golf, hours every day.
He was too. The doctor said he'd die if he didn't have a dry climate.
During it?
I think about fucking a lot during school.
لغت نهم during یعنی در طوله. لغت نهم during یعنی در طوله، در حینه. تعریف کتاب اینه. During an event means while the event was happening. در طول یک واقعه یعنی وقتی یک واقعه داشته رخ میداده. در حینه، در طول. مثالی که کتاب آورده اینه. Did you sleep during a movie? موقع پخش فیلم خوابیدی؟
This was introduced during my first deployment at the CIA in Geneva.
I'd like to share a revelation that I've had during my time here.
لغت دهم و آخرین لغت این صفحه فوتبال یعنی فوتبال. ولی مثالی که اینجا گفته و منظور کتاب از فوتبال توی این قسمت فوتبال آمریکایی هست.
Amy plays football.
I was just returning the football. I was just returning the football.
تعریف که کتاب از لغت فوتبال کرده اینه. Football is a sport with 11 members and an oval shaped ball. فوتبال یه ورزشه با 11 نفر اعضا و یک توپ بیضی شکله. اینجا منظور همون فوتبال آمریکاییه. مثالی که کتاب زده اینه. Football is a popular sport in the United States. فوتبال آمریکایی یک بازی معروف توی ایالات متحده آمریکاست.
I would have been some football player if I hadn't met you.
This football match between the Stone Age and the Bronze World, it's perfect.
لغت 11 fun.
You need to relax and have some fun and come to the party, okay?
Listen, it was fun, but those days are gone forever.
fun یعنی بامزه، لذت بخش، خوشایند. تعریف کتاب اینه. When something is fun, it is enjoyable. وقتی یه چیز فانه، اون لذت بخشه. مثالش We had a fun time at the birthday party. تو مهمونی تولد به ما خوش گذشت.
She's fun, but not my kind of fun.
Well, the 60s were fun, but now I'm paying for it.
It's no fun at all.
First little fun at the titty bars.
واژه 12 game.
What his game was?
The game was mine now.
The game was quite a simple one.
game یعنی بازی، مسابقه. تعریف کتاب A game is an activity where people compete against each other. گیم فعالیتیه که مردم در اون با یکدیگر رقابت میکنند. مثال کتاب: Let's play board game tonight. بیا امشب بازی فکری انجام بدیم. یا بازی تخته انجام بدیم. board game.
I know it sounds crazy, but the second I walked into this game...
You want me to go to the game with Jake?
Those are the players' wives on hand to enjoy the game with us today.
کلمه 13 قلب.
It's from the heart.
You just listen to your heart.
heart قلب دل. مثال کتاب اینه: A heart is an organ that keeps the body alive. heart ارگانی هست، اندامی هست که بدن رو زنده نگه می‌داره. قلب. مثال کتاب: My heart beats fast when I'm nervous. قلبم تند میزنه وقتی عصبیم.
Serious as a heart attack, baby.
But the heart is not meant to rule.
کلمه 14 golf.
Languages, etiquette, golf, knowing how to ski.
Sure, it was a comedy about golf. The Caddyshack was personal.
این واژه توی فارسی و انگلیسی مشترکه. در هر دو زبون معنی گلف رو میده. بازی گلف. تعریف کتاب از لغت گلف: Golf is a sport with clubs and a small white ball. گلف یه نوع ورزش با توپ گلف و یه توپ سفید کوچیکه. مثال کتاب راجع به کلمه گلف: People play golf in a nice weather. افراد توی هوای خوب گلف بازی میکنن.
And then you're just the idiot who did it with them on the golf course.
You know, I've often thought of becoming a golf club.
The golf course is right here.
کلمه 15 increase یعنی افزایش دادن، بالا بردن.
They like to increase their market share.
I'm going to have to increase my surveillance.
کتاب این لغت رو اینجوری گفته: To increase is to make something larger. increase کردن یعنی بزرگتر کردن یه چیز، باعث بشه یه چیز بزرگتر بشه. مثالی که کتاب برامون آورده: I will increase my score if I study for the test. من نمرم رو زیاد میکنم اگه برای آزمون بخونم.
Candace, do you actually get paid for this internship or does daddy just increase your allowance?
لغت 16 life.
Your old life is over. Your old life is over.
I mean, your life is here and your career.
کتاب این لغت رو اینجوری شرح داده: Life is the time when a person is alive. زندگی زمانیه که یک فرد زنده است. مثالی که کتاب در این مورد آورده اینه: My grandfather had a long life. پدر بزرگم زندگی طولانی داشت.
I'm not spending one more second of this life with some inconsiderate prick.
What if this is what I'm supposed to do with my life?
کلمه 17 kilometer یعنی کیلومتر.
Half a kilometer wide.
A town's a kilometer away.
توضیحی که کتاب در مورد واژه کیلومتر گفته اینه: A kilometer is a unit of measurement that is 1000 meters. کیلومتر یه واحد اندازه‌گیریه که 1000 متره. حالا مثالش: A marathon is a 42.2 kilometers. ماراتون 42.2 کیلومتره.
Besides, a kilometer is less than a mile.
Laughing and singing and drinking champagne by the kilometer.
Just a kilometer or so past the town, there will be a nursery.
لغت 18 often.
But does your friend often do that?
How often do you sleep together?
often یعنی زیاد، یعنی تکرار شونده، مثل habit میمونه. often تعریفی که کتاب اومده گفته: often is when something happens many times. often وقتیه که یه چیز خیلی تکرار میشه. مثال کتاب: He often goes to the bed early during the week. در طول هفته زود به تخت خواب میره. یعنی زود میخوابه. ساعت خوابش تنظیمه.
I often ask myself,
Who would I be without you?
It doesn't seem to happen as often with white actors.
Family is the only real wealth you would often remark.
واژه 19 plenty. اگه سریعتر بگیم plenty.
There's plenty more coming.
You'll see plenty more of those when we're gone!
واژه 19 plenty یعنی زیاد، زیادی که مثبته. بریم ببینیم کتاب چی گفته. If you have a plenty of something, there is a lot of it. یعنی اگه تو از یه چیزی خیلی زیاد داشته باشی، پلنتی داشته باشی، از اون خیلی هست. مثالی که گفته چیه؟ We have a plenty of fruit. So help yourself. ما زیاد میوه داریم. از خودت پذیرایی کن.
There's plenty here to take care of the farm without me.
There's plenty left.
There's plenty left over.
There's plenty here.
He's got plenty and plenty to invest with.
کلمه 20 و آخرین واژه weight یعنی وزن.
He supports his weight on his knuckles.
No, that's just Weight Watchers.
بریم ببینیم کتاب اینو چجوری شرحش داده. Weight is how heavy something or someone is. Weight یعنی اینکه یه نفر یا یه چیز چقدر سنگینه. حالا مثالش I gained weight because I ate a lot of pizza. من اضافه وزن گرفتم، وزنم زیاد شد به خاطر اینکه خیلی زیاد پلنتی پیتزا خوردم.
Mom got it from Weight Watchers.
You know, it's really hard to enjoy dinner when you run a weight loss center.
We further ask the court to instruct the court members to lend no weight to this witness's testimony.
خسته نباشید دوستان. ممنون از اینکه تا اینجای ویدیو منو داشتید. با دکمه سابسکرایب و زدن دکمه زنگوله از من حمایت میکنید. ممنون از تماشای شما. خدا نگهدار.